Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now find Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that auto rotation is on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same icon, but you can also go into settings and choose display. Over here, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!